What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Today I'm at Busch Gardens, Tampa. I'm going to show you through all you can expect at a summer celebration, a revamp of this event here. Now I'll get all the information to you in less than 3 minutes.
Not only do they have a wide variety of all sorts of types of coasters and attractions, including their newest RMC coaster, Iron Gwazi. So between May 27th and August 7th, you can experience the new summer celebration at Busch Gardens, Tampa. On top of their already great daytime entertainment and ride experiences, you can now check out these new experiences for this exclusive event. They have great pop-up entertainment spots like these DJs, and at one point they had these hula hoops around and I had to give it a shot. It's been about a decade since my last try, but I did okay. The wait times honestly weren't crazy, so we were able to ride all the rides that we wanted to ride, which is pretty much all of them besides Falcon's Fury, which was down for the night. You can catch the return of the fan favorite Rjay Electric Show, and when you want to stop and get a bite to eat, you can check out one of their newest establishments, Chick-fil-A, inside the theme park. This in-park Chick-fil-A takes the all dining deals, so if you do get this package, you can come to Chick-fil-A every 90 minutes and get Chick-fil-A all day long. They made everything to order, so it was all so fresh and crunchy and juicy. But if you're nowhere near that part of the park, you can try out Dragon Fire Grill. At select times throughout the day, you can catch this awesome show, Kings of Neon. They put up a fantastic show with tons of talent. And while you're checking out their newest attraction, Iron Gwazi, just outside they have a new show called Gwazi Beats. This is a really fun, unique show, and it just gets cooler throughout the night because it gets darker and the lights just get cooler. While watching the summer celebration fireworks spectacular, I got my camera out and I'm recording. I'm like, man, this is so cool, this is awesome. I put my camera away, then the next song starts, and then it's even cooler, so I bring my camera back out, and it just happened over and over again. And they continuously, throughout the entire show, it progressively gets better and better and better as the entire show goes on until the absolute finale, which is just incredible. Being able to integrate the water, the lasers, the fire, the fireworks, they did an awesome job. The music set list and everything was just pumping and people were having an awesome time. After it was all said and done, you still had another half an hour or so before the park closed, so you can catch some rides at night if you'd like. I'm honestly so happy that they continue to make things better and better and better and not let it become mundane. It's just the same event, same this, same that, but they continue to progress, and I'm so happy that we can have these events and they just keep pumping them out and making them better. Alright, we did it. Under 3 minutes. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us. We plan to do more of these very short, condensed tours in the future to not waste any of your time and give you all the information that's possible about these events. The most liked comment on our previous video of Universal's new summer tribute store comes from Bad Guy. He says, excited to come explore. It is a great tribute store, and I would suggest checking it out on your next trip to Universal. If you want your comment read on our next video, go ahead and comment on this one. The most liked comment gets featured on our next video. Let us know if you plan on checking out this summer celebration at Busch Gardens, Tampa this year. And if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.